Let's make a Mockingbird cocktail. This cocktail name is actually a pun for a book I've never read, but perhaps one day will? First, we're gonna need 1.5 ounces of tequila. Doesn't really matter what kind, but I think it would go best with a Blanco. Next, we'll need about 1/2 ounce of white creme de menthe. I suppose really you could use any type of minty liqueur, and although I'm not going to use it in this one, I would highly recommend a Don Q mojito. So good. Super duper tasty. And a friend got it from me from Puerto Rico. Thank you so much. This one's minty and tequila-y. Finally, we're gonna need 1/2 ounce of lime juice. Don't have any? Make some. I actually left my squeezing majigger downstairs, and I only have 1/2 a lime up here, so I'm gonna just squeeze it with my hands. Ooh. That was about 1 ounce or so. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. Next, let's put a cube in it and shake it up. 1 large cube. Coming right up. Hear that ice crackle. Making a small mess over here. It's fine. It's fine. You could strain it into a glass, or just shake it over the glass you plan on using with it, and make a total mess of your bar. This is the Mockingbird, tequila, creme de menthe, something minty in there, and lime juice. It's a pun. Did I mention it's a pun? Tequila, Mockingbird, tequila, Mockingbird, tequila, Mockingbird. It's as pleasantly unexpected as the pun itself. This is actually the drink that taught me to like tequila, because I'm a punny guy, and even something as dumb as a small little literary atrocity will make me want to do stuff that normally I wouldn't want to do.